Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. In this video, we'll talk about flex prompt templates and how we can use free text inputs to make our flex prompt templates more customizable by accepting user inputs with free text fields. So let's get started. Let's start with an overview of what free text inputs are. So free text inputs are nothing but a non-record type of input field consisting solely of text. You can include free text input fields in your flex prompt templates in the same way that you include merge fields or other resources from the resource picker. And this functionality allows you to handle scenarios where you want your prompt template to receive free text as an input. For example, customers submitting questions in a form field, reading a file, sending the contents to the prompt, or handling any situation where you want to send arbitrary text to a flex prompt template in the prompt builder. So that's a bit about the free text inputs field. Now let's see a quick use case that we are going to implement today. So imagine you're a prompt admin and you want to design a prompt that answers a customer's question about a specific product on your website. As common use case, flex prompt template with free text inputs is an elegant option. So let's get started with the implementation. For that, log into your Salesforce org and search for prompt builder in the quick find, and in the prompt builder click on this new prompt template button and select the flex template type and the prompt template name. Let's give any random name to your template. Now in the define sources, we can define our source inputs. So now as we wanted to add the free text inputs as a source, so here in the source type, let's select the free text. And now let's give any name to your input type. So now I am selecting enter user question, and in the add resources I am selecting the other object resources. So right now I'm selecting the product object, and I'm also selecting the campaign object. So it is product service campaign, which is nothing but the promotion related records for the particular product. So I'm giving the name as promotion, and I'm just clicking on next. Now in the prompt template workspace, we can add our instructions. So I've already created one instruction. Let me just copy it. Okay. Now I'll just paste that here. So this instruction says a customer on our site is asking for the following question about this product. So let me replace this placeholder with the product name. So I'm selecting the resource product and here the product name. And here for the enter your question resource, I'm just replacing this placeholder with our free text resource. So we can see we are getting the option of free text here, and our input enter user question. So this is done, and now for adding the promotion details, I'm also replacing this placeholder with the promotion data. So I'm just adding the promotion. Okay, let me just add the name, start date and end date for the promotion. Okay, so our instruction says a customer on our site is asking for the following question about the product. Do your best to answer the customer questions. And here we are getting the customer question, and in addition to that, you also want to mention the promotion related details like the start date, end date and the name. So that's our basic instruction that we have added here. So let me just save it. Now let's test our template. So you can click on this test inputs, and you can see on the right hand side we are getting the option for entering the free text content here in this input variable, and here we are also getting the inputs object sources where we can select the records. So right now I'm selecting the product record for which we want to do the query. Now in the promotion also I'm selecting any random record which is related to this product, and in the question I am asking, give me details about the product type and product family. Now let's preview this. We can see the response is the product type is LED solar motion sensor lights 2-pack. The product family includes this, and for the further details we can check the campaign which is happening between this start date end date. So it has given us the response that we wanted, and including all the instructions that we have added over here. And this way we can use free text for adding any questions to our flex prompt template and making it more dynamic and customizable by accepting the user questions and making it more interactable with the users. So this way we can see how our flex prompt templates with free text fields enable personalized interactions and improving how information is gathered in real time. This ability to customize the prompts and allow for free form input creates a more intuitive and dynamic user experience, making it more valuable tool for many use cases. So that's all for this video. If you have any questions or queries or feedbacks, please feel free to post in the comment section. And thanks for watching.